Welcome, glad to have you here today. I'm Dr. T, Pamela Terrio. I am the author of Alleviate Dry Eye and the director of the Dry Eye Center at Lusk Eye Specialists here in Shreveport, Louisiana. Today I want to talk to you about something that's a little embarrassing. Have you ever been to a party or you're on your way to work and you look in the mirror and your eyes are super red? I tried to make my eye a little bit red. I don't know how red it is. And you think to yourself, oh my goodness, I can't show up looking like this. My eye is so red, everyone's going to be wondering what I've been doing. They're going to make comments again. Oh my goodness, do you have an eye infection? Have you been drinking? Did you get enough sleep last night, sweetheart? We've all heard it. As dry eye sufferers, or even just folks with sensitive eyes, sometimes our eyes are red. Some days they're more red than others, and we just find that it's embarrassing and it makes us less confident and more self-conscious. So in the past, you've all been told, don't use Visine. Your eye doctors have all told you that Visine is not good for your eyes. It constricts the blood vessels, it constricts the oxygen getting to your eyes, and that oxygen is bringing you the blood flow to your eyes is bringing you oxygen and other nutrients that you need to keep your eyes healthy. And healthy eyes are beautiful eyes. So you've all been told not to use Visine, maybe even Opcon A or Nafcon A, so you don't know what to do. There has to be an alternative. And truly, there is one. As of last May, so about a year now, Bausch & Lomb put out a new drop called Lumify. Lumify is different from other redness relievers. It follows a different pathway and it relieves the redness without constricting the oxygen to the front surface of your eye. So with those other redness relievers, you would have to use them every 4 hours, and sometimes the rebound redness would be worse than the redness that you had before the initial redness. And then if you used Visine day after day, you would find that it was less effective as time went on. Whereas with Lumify, 95% of patients or of people using Lumify get relief in 1 minute. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in my eye. It's a little bit child proof, so you got to squeeze it a little bit. And now I'm going to use my bridge method. If you haven't seen the bridge method, I have a video on it, but it teaches you how to put the drops in your eyes quickly and easily. So bottle on the bridge of my nose, looking up, and squeeze. Awesome. I got a nice big drop in my eye. It feels great. No stinging or burning. Just drop the excess out of there. And we'll see how white my right eye gets compared to the left eye in 1 minute. So this drop lasts 8 hours, so you can get white-eyed relief for a long period of time, all day at work, or if you're going to a social event like a wedding or a party, you won't have to worry that your eyes will get red later on. And again, it maintains the oxygen to the front surface of your eye, as well as other nutrients that your eye needs to stay healthy. I made notes, so let me read a few more. So what if you're already a dry eye sufferer? Can you use this safely? And I would say yes, you can use this daily as a dry eye sufferer, or even someone with sensitive eyes. It does come in a bottle, which means that it does have preservatives in it. So you don't want to use it more than the recommended usage, which is every 8 hours. So you could safely use this once a day in the morning before you went to work. And then if you were going to go somewhere after work, you could give yourself another drop. Other times that you might want to use it as someone who has sensitive eyes would be saving it for special occasions like weddings, parties, or social events. Or if you're going to travel, we all know that when we're on airplanes or traveling long distances, that the dryness inside the cabin and can dry our eyes out and make them red and uncomfortable. So next week, I just want to give a little spoiler. I'm going to give a talk about travel. I've got a lot of travel related tips and then a downloadable worksheet for your packing list so that you can get the right stuff. And I think you can tell right now, look how white this eye is. It's completely white. And this eye is just normal white, but there's a nice blood vessel right there. Whereas here, you don't see it. So there's no dyes and no whiteners in this drop. It's just pure relief to your red eyes, and I think it's great. So again, sensitive or irritated eyes can hold you back from doing the things in life that you love. So utilizing a customized treatment plan is the best way to alleviate those symptoms and restore clear and comfortable vision that you deserve. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dr. T, and you can find me online at pamterrio.com. Actually, that's www.pamterrio.com, or in the office at Lusk Eye Specialists in Shreveport, Louisiana. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week.